Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm your new teacher, Sister Sundus, and I hope you will enjoy the entire class with me today, inshallah. So let's begin. Today we will practice more exercises of Kasrah. If you will open your book, Ahsanul-Qawaid, you will find this lesson on page number 11, hopefully, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Start reading with me. I'll read first, then I'll stop so you can read after me. أذن بقي حميد خشي سخير شريب عجيب غضب. Smile. Say كذب. Most of the time you will smile while saying the letters. بخيل فلم يئس أبتي. Tell with an ear in your mouth. Don't say ti. It's in Urdu. Say in Arabic. Abati. Smile and say the next word. Balati. Baladi. Maliki. Next word, throat letter. Ha. Tha. Fat letter. Ha. Tha. B. E. B. Li. Stretch your mouth. Smile and say E. B. Li. Ki. Be. Ri. A. Li. Ma. E. Ro. Ma. That's it. Just keep practicing this lesson, inshallah. Till then, I'll come to you with the next lesson. Stay tuned. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.